Trading is easier when you have the right tools and you are trading on a regulated forex brokers that does not manipulate your trading. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of the best regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and open an account with any of the regulated forex brokers in your area. Open a demo account to try out this particular strategy and see if you are consistent before you go ahead to deposit your hard-earned money. It is important that you trade on regulated forex brokers. Now let us move on to today's strategy. I have just one indicator here for this particular strategy. This is better than MACD, the original MACD. This is impulse MACD, and it did work well, and I will show you why it worked well before we analyze the market together. I have two impulse MACD on my chart, and I'm going to explain why I did put the two, but let me explain with one of the impulse MACD. Now when you check at this particular point, we have a cross here for a sell signal, and we have this white small histogram here that did turn to white, and this is below the 0 level. And at this particular zone, we do not have any bar, neither did this line cross. This area is known no trade area. You cannot trade at this particular zone. This is why it makes it easier or a bit better than the MACD we are used to, because this will take fake out of your trading, either fake out break out of your trading. Here is another zone that did not give us any signal. It is flat, telling us the market is ranging and we should not take any trade. Here is another no area trading, and if you look at it very well, anywhere it did a signal that we should not take any trade, the market is always flat, no specific direction for that particular section or particular time. So this is why it is better than the MACD we are used to. Make sure you trade this profitably on a regulated forex brokers. This will help us to trade in the direction of the trend and prevent us from trading where there's no any notable movement. And these are the area where I said no trade, because this is flat and you are not going to take any trade at this particular point. This actually helps us well, and this is what MACD is missing. The original MACD is missing. MACD is a good indicator, but when the market is going sideways, then you are going to lose a lot of money when you trade at that particular zone. But with this particular indicator, we are not going to trade where there is sideways movement in the market. We will only trade when there's impulse, when there's momentum in the market, and that is the advantage of this particular indicator. Now I did add the other indicator, but for now I'm not going to explain that. Still the same indicator but with different setting. Now let us analyze the market with what we have right now on the chart. So at this particular point, we started seeing that the market is taking a clear direction at this particular point right now, and here is where we need to take this particular trade. And at the flat zone, when you look at the main chart, you find out that there's no any tangible movement in any direction, and this is one of the advantage of this particular indicator. It makes you to trade profitably and give you opportunity to enter when the market is moving, is taking direction, and you can use this to even trade a breakout when you know that the market is moving sideways, as we have it here, and you do not know where the market may likely break to, either down or up. But with the help of this indicator, this MACD impulse MACD indicator, you know where to trade that is going to break up, and then you take your position. This is a good strategy. And for a sell, we did have where this magenta, when the histogram is below this magenta and the upper line here, the gray color. So we have a sell signal generated at this particular point, and your stop loss is going to be few pips above the previous high. So this is how to use this particular indicator. You can use it to trade on any time frame you want, and this is on 1 hour gold. And when we check lower time frame, it's still the same methodology. Let's check the history a bit. Here's another flat zone that we do not need to take any trade at this particular zone. These are flat zone, and immediately after that particular zone, we have the momentum to actually place a trade here, and this did deliver. Let's move back a bit again and check what we have here. Here's another sell trade that was generated. We did have this sell trade at this particular point, and it did deliver. And here we have the other histogram at the lower part. This is what I use this particular indicator for. When I see any trade in the market, what I normally do is to check this white histogram here, and I have it at the lower side. So this is another confirmation for me to pick or to take this particular trade, either buy or sell. This indicator is good for Forex markets, and it can be used on stocks, it can be used on indices, as many as you have on your MetaTrader 4. This can be used on Meta, as I'm using it on gold right now. So let's check other pairs. This is gold on 1 hour time frame. But before we go to other pairs, let's check 1 minute or 5 minute time frame and see if it is accurate also. Here is it on 15 minute time frame. We have the flat zone here where we should not take any particular trade, and this was like a fake breakout to downside. If it's to be ordinary MACD, you will have taken this trade, and this is a fake out. This is the advantage of this particular indicator until it finally give us signal to go long on this particular trade. So it is consistent with any time frame you want to trade. And here is it on the 1 minute time frame. It's still the same methodology. Just make sure you follow money management and trade on a regulated Forex brokers. Let's check it on 1 or 2 more pairs as I show you the setting I use for this particular strategy. Here's it on the US 30 cash. Let's check from 1 hour time frame. So we have a good run here. This was a buy signal that was generated, and I have this white histogram here to go long above zero line. And let's go back a bit. At this particular zone, we have a no trade zone here that we should not take any trade. So this strategy is simple, and it's still the same methodology, either on 1 minute time frame or 15 minutes time frame. This did work well. No zone. This is no trading zone area, and after we have a break to the downside, and it did deliver. So this is how to use this particular strategy on any regulated forex brokers. Now let me show you the indicators I use for this particular strategy and the settings. So the indicator setting is this, just the impulse MACD. These are the color that I use. You can use any color, but this is my color. Then these are the inputs for this particular indicator. MA length is 34, then signal length is 9, then histogram width, you can adjust it or just set it to true. So the second one I did use, I'm going to show you why I use it, is this. I just use MA length as 21. That was the only things I changed for faster entry or for double confirmation. So we analyze it together and see the two indicators in action. So from the both setting, at this particular zone we have no trade. This one did started earlier, and here we only have like a few candles, and after this we have a breakdown, and both did agree. This just tell me earlier where no trade zone started from. So with this I know when not to take any trade, that the market has started going sideways, and this is why I did use this particular setting, so that I will know the area where I need not to trade. And for buy and sell, still the same method. We have the buy here. This did confirm it a bit later, but both deliver. This help you to enter market earlier than this one, but make sure you check it out and see the one that work best for you. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe, and do not forget to give me a thumb up. In my video description I did drop some link to some of the regulated forex brokers, and I did drop my download links to this particular indicator. I did include my template. If you want to use my template, just make sure you download it. Till I come your way again, make sure you keep on trading and trade on regulated forex brokers. Bye for now.